Alright guys, we got our solar light over here. Now if you want to save on energy bill, guys, this is the way to go. Solar is the future and you're going to save so much money on solar build. So that's why I decided to get with solar. And then this one, the instructions over here. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick what comes in the bag. So this is the lights. It might look like a fan, but it's actually a light. Everything is a simple installations. And this one, you can pretty much take it with you anywhere you go. You don't really need, look at that. Look at that light, guys. It looks like a fan. So I'm a big solar guy. I absolutely love everything, anything to do with solar. Anything I could save my money on, and energy as well. Great for the environment. So this is the panel, I believe. Yes, this is our panel right here. And as you can see, the wire is nice and long as well, so you could drag it out very far, which is very good. And then they did give us some bolts over here and over here as well for you to hang it if you want to hang it here. And this is our other connection device. Yes, right here. So you could control it over here. Oh, have a nice little string over here as well. That's pretty cool. And then this is our instruction again. If you guys want to take a look, let me go ahead and set up everything and I'll show you guys how. Alright guys, so we got it charged up. As you can see, look at the wire again. It's very long, guys, so you could always put this in your window if you want. It goes far, and as you can see, you have a mounting system right here. It's very cool. And then you have a sort of remote control system right here. So when you pull this, it's gonna light up, as you can see. So that's level 1, and then you could do level 2, and then you turn it off. Very, very cool, guys. I love the concept. It's very nice and super powerful. As you can see, the lights are very powerful. And then of course, if you want to start an angle, you could always break those and you could get it in a different angles. So this is very, very convenient, guys. Whatever you want to do, you want to work in your garage, you want to work somewhere outdoor, indoor, whatever you want, you could do this and you don't have to rely on electricity. So yeah, very nice, very convenient, guys. I absolutely love this. You're definitely gonna love it. Definitely give it a try and let me know what you guys think. And if you do have any question, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to answer any question for you guys.